Come on, Noah. Come on. We gotta go get the backing plates for our new cup holders. Backing plates. Like the backing cardboard that comes in the packaging. We've got new cup holders coming. New colors of cup holders coming. Get stoked. Those are fire. So we gotta go pick those up. Pick up some lightweight filler for the AE86 engine bay. Uncle Torrance told us what to get. So yeah. Let's get on with that. Yeah, that guy's fucking vibing, dude. Here in Victoria, you can camp for free on Pandora. Yeah, right downtown. Downtown Victoria. Cock. You're gonna go pick up some cup holder backings. Fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. Figured we'd give you a little tour. Yeah, hello? He did not like it. The wheel spins? Yeah. Fuck him. You were right here, eh? Or the next one? You go to the next one. No, at the very bottom. This is downtown Victoria. Pretty shit. Yeah, it's kind of scary down here. You can go fucking Walking Dead. That square over there, you can go get a tattoo that'll probably get infected, or you'll get sexually harassed. Used to be some popular place here that the owner burned down for the insurance money. Yeah, no, that was Monty's, the fucking strip club. Yeah. So now we have no strip clubs, the Fox is closed, it's alright, it's not like we were into it to begin with. This lady's just half naked in the street for no reason. Price. The fuck out of the way! No one knows how to drive. Got Fantan Alley, that's a good place to get stabbed. Fucking vegan pizza. Who's buying that? Come on. Oh my god. What are you talking about? I was bored one time and I watched a realtor live stream a house tour in the Union. It's pretty nice. Why'd you buy that when you can live for free on fucking Pandora, man? In a tent. Yeah, and over there we got a Squimalt, that's where all the gangs are. There's a couple here, but mainly over the bridge is where shit goes down. We don't go there. It's clean. Industrial spec. Yeah, it's the ultimate stews. This is where all the small business entrepreneurs go to get their shit made. It's pretty cool, it's pretty tight. Look at the building, man. You already know they're paying fucking 20 grand a month to rent this. Little sneak peek of some new shit coming. Clean, man. You know what I mean. Oh. Just dropped the goddamn rack on some supplies. Gonna be absolutely Uncle Torrance out in this bitch, so yeah, to help us financially recover, merch link is in the bio. Appreciate it if you want to pick anything up, and yeah, let's get to doing some fucking sanding and bondoing. So all the spots where we filled holes, we need to do a little skim coat of body filler. So first, they're all ground down with a flapper. We're just gonna hit them quickly with some 220, just like the surrounding area, so we make sure that the filler sticks. But I feel like Uncle, eh? Uncle Torrance? Where is he? Stop killing, depleting the world's salmon supply and come do some mods. But yeah, so we're just gonna hit a couple of them, and we're gonna mix some filler. I don't know what kind of ratio
I'll show you.
we're rocking with.
I know how to do it.
Like you know. Alright, Adam's being fucking ignorant, doesn't want to take my advice. I literally don't care. No, I'm gonna show, watch. Okay, look, Adam doesn't believe that you're supposed to do this. I just said I don't care. It's filming, you can see you, go ahead. It's pointing that way. No, you're fully in frame. Okay, well come close, man. Get it together. I don't care about your tape mod.
This shit literally smells like you. Which is the scent of fuck.
I smell great.
I think don't.
I do.
I don't think you've ever smelled good.
I always smell good.
Okay, I won't say you smell good, but you don't smell bad.
You smell like Montreal Canadian breath.
No, I don't. You
Yeah.
literally always have the French Canadian breath.
You smell like European, dude.
I am fucking.
Yeah,
I'm an immigrant, so fuck
You
you.
are ESL, dude. Shut up.
It's all right.
Why not taking?
I can still
advantage of
spell
that
better.
skill?
I do.
don't.
Not in college, but
You
I
know
can.
what you should have used that for? Econ in 145, right?
Man, I might be ESL, but I can still spell better than you.
Fuck you, man. Now you're just making fun of my downfalls now? My insecurities, eh? We're just gonna put those on camera?
Well, maybe if you took notes instead of watching Jimmy Oaks in class.
I was trying to figure out how to roll a good cigarette, okay?
Well, then I'm gonna add a little bit more.
Oh my god, dude, this must be the hub with the amount of
We're doing all the holes. So this is the hub.
You like that joke?
Yeah, you made that joke like 2 seconds ago.
Yeah, but then I made it on camera.
Okay.
So you gotta pretend like it was your first time hearing it.
All you know how to do is copy.
Would you put on your...
All you know how to do is copy people's builds on Instagram.
Yeah, I always copied Dennis, man! Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, you and Dennis have the same.
You still think there's originality in car culture? You can... No. It's all been done before.
I'm not Leonardo da Vinci about to fucking make the Mona Lisa out here. Actually, I'm gonna do something that's never been done before. I'm running positive 69 degrees of canter because I need to be original as fuck.
You know what's original? Left on red vinyls. We should make those.
Oh, fark. Sad boy hour.
Maybe we should make a steering wheel that's like shitty fucking just overseas quality with...
Like a Wish spec.
Yeah, with a little embroidery that says "Lonely
Get in,
Drivers."
loser, we're going crying.
Yeah. Girlfriends come and go, but the two just forever. Ain't that the truth?
If nobody...
I told you it was too much. Put it on the ground so you can put some pressure on it. Why are you holding it?
I am putting a fine amount of pressure. I just need... Give me the other scraper. I need to get it off of this fucking thing.
Wow, with my tape on it. So it's actually good.
What about when it reaches above the
I
tape?
can't wait till that hardens and you can't get all of it off and you're going to be like,
Then I'll just go buy new $3 ones.
Not everyone has $3 to spare. Just got my underglow from Jeff Bezos, man.
Jeff Bezos, where's the fucking underglow?
Where is it? It's supposed to be guaranteed today. Isn't that a thing on Amazon where if it doesn't come the day it says it's supposed to?
I don't think I've ever had. Maybe Amazon's better in the States, but I've never had anything come when it's supposed to.
Yeah, it's always a guaranteed 1 day delivery and then you check.
It's always too early. Okay, when you have a car where you're not copying someone and are actually doing something for yourself, then you can do the Bondo, okay?
Well, it's actually, I think my next mod on my car is flames on the underside of the hood.
Yeah, you would.
And then aero mirrors. And then fucking 12J wheels.
Alright, fuck, you fucking do this. Oh yeah, hold fucking cake it on. What is this, DQ making some ice cream cakes? I can go for a Reese's Pieces ice cream cake right now.
Maybe we'll get one for my birthday.
Better.
There's no ice cream cake, you're not coming.
I said that last year. I was like, there's no ice cream cake at your birthday. I'm not wrong.
Was there ice cream cake?
Why is this so thick here? And no, there wasn't.
Sand it.
Could you maybe smooth it out a bit so I don't need to sand all that off?
No, it takes 10 seconds. Just use like 80 grit. And smooth it out with 400.
We should have waited until Uncle Torrance was done killing salmons to do this.
Torrance said off camera, I wish it was on camera, that my body work was good. Okay?
Noah's the kind of guy who comments on the hub that people can quit.
I'm just trying to help out, man.
Yeah.
Addiction's a serious problem.
Not bad, Noah.
What'd I say?
For being a bit of a tool, not bad.
Have some skill.
just waiting for some drying.
It's probably good.
I just don't want it to be too tacky and like just gum up the sandpaper immediately. Maybe a little bit more, like half an hour more.
Half an hour more.
Yeah, have some patience.
What, you got all the fucking time in the world?
Actually, yeah.
Let me try.
No.
No, only thing that's gonna happen is you come up.
It's our only piece of sandpaper. No, look at this.
What are you looking?
See how it's doing this? That's because it's gumming up. It's not hard enough yet. Feel it. No,
Where's the
it's
gum?
tacky. No, but
Gum.
see this? That's because the other stuff's sticking to it.
No.
Yeah.
It's because
Feel it, man. It's tacky.
You're revealing the layers.
No, it's not
sanded.
through that. Yeah, look at how thick it is.
Yeah.
That's not the layer underneath it. It's bare metal under that.
Who made you fucking Bondo guy, huh?
I'm just telling you that it's not ready yet. Like, I can feel it's tacky.
I'm telling you it's ready.
Who made you Bondo guy?
Myself.
Mr. Skull
I woke up this
Jones
morning, I
over
was
here?
like, I'm a fucking Bondo guy. It's good.
Fucking attitude.
So it's like...
We're taking the front bumper off. It's about to come off. We started sanding the Bondo a little bit.
One sec.
Is it good?
That just fucking fell. You know when you see a YouTube video in 2008 and there was no sound, but the song "Let the Bodies Hit the Floor." That's how that shit fell. That shit hit the floor. That was spooky, man. Alright, so since we're over sanding for now, we should find an orbital, because that sucks by hand. We're just gonna take apart or remove the headlight buckets and the hood latch, the horn, and then these, because these need to undergo some major restoration, you know? So, we'll do that. I'm busting these nuts, fam. All day long, bro. Okay, busting that thing as easy as it used to be. Easy breezy, beautiful. Fuck off. Hold it. Alright, so as you can see, front end's looking a bit busted. But we'll give her a good sand. Maybe we should just coerce Torrance into coming and helping us paint this bay.
Mm-hmm.
And then, yeah, so we got to finish sanding this. Tape up everything. So I'm going to make a booth in here. So I don't overspray on everything in the garage. A few expensive wheels over there I don't want to overspray on. But yeah. So, we're not sanding today because we're over it. So, we'll pick this back up when we're sanding. And maybe Torrance is here, if you guys are lucky. Oh, it looks terrible. Alright, we're going to go beat our meat, add a meat. Yell at Uncle Torrance. Got the ice on, you already know, real VVS diamonds. Fuck. The turning radius is so bad in this car.
Yeah, I've heard Skylines don't have good turning radius. I've never driven a stock one. I've always driven ones with steering mods done to them.
Yeah, you would need them ASAP. Yeah, Ben's car fucking scrapes. That's for certain.
Yeah, apparently your exhaust was just extra loose, so you should scrape less too, Tori.
Yeah. My car also sits donk high now.
Does it?
Yeah, I guess because I zeroed out the camber and then Forrest said that something else caused my coils to sit a little higher. So yeah, I think it's like something to do with the way the knuckle sits on the LCAs now because they're aftermarket LCAs.
I was probably just listening to scary music over there. Oh, literally. No point in flying past this going. Waves back. Cool car, man.
Okay, it's recording. We're at a car meet.
What are we doing?
We're at a car meet. I'm gonna walk around and review people's cars.
Dude, that's on small wheels.
Respect for not fucking like redlining it, I must say. Revving the blast. Look how happy Noah is.
Let's go up to Miata, dude.
It's clean Miata.
Hello?
Isn't this the most fun you ever had?
Dude, I've never seen so many Mitsubishis in my life.
Look what arrived, motherfucker.
Hey.
Dude, I told him I'd kiss him one time, and he'd like
Nelson,
freak out.
that was
I
so
said
nice
I'd kiss
of
him
you.
on the lips.
Ben's reaction like the whole time. So
Oh, what? I'm waiting, Ben. What the fuck is this, man?
What's what?
POV.
Two men versus one.
What'd you say? Do you think we could?
Yeah, I think we could fight everybody here.
A threesome with Nelson, me and you would be nuts, eh?
Yeah, the SAG, right?
Are you guys just doing a loop?
Yeah, we're gonna check out this Miata. I want to see these.
Yeah, I love the.
Yeah, I was like, who is this? Yeah, I'm a little confused by these things already. What's going on?
Are you even real?
The boys will try to hit a million K up on that YouTube. The best kind.